In this rap game, we gold members. Whole team right here full of go-getters. I'ma let y'all know that you ain't winning. Y'all dreams be bright, my team dim it. Grind season, and I'm still eating. 2013, man, people still leaking. I don't understand, trying to provide for my fam. I done took a couple L's and I heard a lot of wells. Shit, it never fails, just another tale. They bag it up and sell, mama wait up on the mail. Woo. Loose lips, get your shit hit. Silly rabbit, I ain't got time for your trick. Excuse me, I'm a thunderstorm, you're like mist. We so strong that it bolt like this. Rappers at the top, you can call them temps. Labels keep dicking them, call them pimp. Rappers at the top, you can call them temps. Labels keep dicking them, call them pimp. Rappers at the top, you can call them temps. Labels keep dicking them, call them pimp. Rappers at the top, you can call them temps. Labels keep dicking them, call them pimp. You can call them pimp. Rappers at the top, you can call them temps.
Fresh pair kicks, custom tee. Motherfucker label, I invest in me. I hear everybody looking for the best MC. Tell them look no further, cause I am he. Young nigga coming live from the district. Ever since a youngin', I've been running with the misfits. Most these niggas follow us, most these niggas get whisked. Pancake gangsters, I know they full of biscuit. They easy bake 'em out the bake 'em in a biscuits. I'm about to kill a game and my mind's so relentless. I'm about to kill a game and I ain't looking for forgiveness. You got a weak stomach, you might not want to witness. Cause this shit right here is about to get gruesome. They toting all these guns where they better start shooting. Like a fly at a barbecue, boy, I'ma be a nuisance. And me and my squad straight, we don't do recruiting, no. Nigga, we don't do recruiting, no. Nigga, we don't do recruiting. They toting all these guns where they better start shooting. And me and my squad straight, we don't do recruiting, no. Nigga, we don't do recruiting, no. Nigga, we don't do recruiting. They toting all these guns where they better start shooting. And me and my squad straight, we don't do recruiting.
Y'all motherfuckers done start some shit. Talking about y'all DC, that's hit. Murray Jane, my bitch, Uptown, my rip. Never knew Big, he ain't talk so slick. Never knew Big, he ain't felt like this. Got a mafia being a walking lick. Ain't looking for no handout or asses to kiss. Raw and uncut with the game just
bro, everybody talk work, but tell me who's supplying. Everybody talk guns, but tell me who fine. Everybody talk loud, but tell me who buying. I need you say it with me. I think these niggas lying. I don't know what they been smoking, sniffing or been sipping, but somebody better get them niggas to them niggas tripping. And we out here trying to heat. We out here on a mission, and them niggas in the way. They ain't even competition.
My loose screws can't get a grip. You smaller than a fry, you smaller than a shrimp. We playing in the game, you riding that bench. I must admit, my first attempt. Knew I wasn't the best, but I knew I wasn't shit. Had to stay committed, checking tasks off the list. Treat the booth like a gym, we just try and get fit. Hit and pick the game up, ain't talking forklifts.